It says, whatever my Father in heaven has not planted,
Yes.
shall be uprooted from the roots.
Yes.
Whatever my Father in heaven
Yes.
has not planted in your body,
Yes.
in your life,
Yes.
in your children, in your career, in your business, in your place of work, in your mind, right now, right now, right now, right now, come out! Thou spirit of witchcraft,
Yes.
thou spirit of witchcraft, thou spirit of witchcraft, wherever you are located, we set you on fire, 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 in the mighty name of Jesus Christ, that evil spirit from your father's house, spirit of witchcraft from your father's house, from your father's house, you demon sent from your father's house, wherever you are located, I set you on fire, 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 in the mighty name of Jesus Christ, every wicked man, wicked woman from your father's house, from your mother's house, assigned to attack you, wherever they are, catch fire, say fire, 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 in the name of Jesus Christ.